We hope you enjoyed meeting Danny, Nemo, and Olivia.
Look at this channel. It has over 1.2 million followers. This is the kind of video they make. There's a talking character, a background, and some pictures. We can do something like this too. And even better, in today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can create similar and high quality videos that come closer to achieving those results. Make sure to watch the full video so you won't miss any important steps. You don't need to overthink it. You just need to start doing this. So let's start. First, start by getting VoiceOver connected to ChatGPT or Copilot. This is a really useful tool that's both powerful and free. Next, decide what your video is going to be about.
So we asked Copilot to give us a video script related to sea animals, and they just give us this script.
Simply we can copy and paste it into a document for use them later. With the script ready, let's move on to adding a high quality voiceover. We'll be using Speechify for this part, but if you want, you can go for 11 Labs as well. But in free version, sometimes 11 Labs give us error. So here I'm gonna go with Speechify, and now here I'm gonna paste the script we got from Copilot here. Feel free to add punctuation marks or infuse emotion into the voice, like question marks or exclamation marks. Now you can choose a suitable voice and adjust setting personality for a natural sounding voice. Once you are satisfied with the setting, hit the generate button to let Speechify work its magic. After the voiceover is generated, take a moment to listen to the result and make sure it's exactly what you are looking for. If it's good to go, feel free to download the voiceover file. But here downloading the audio required to have credits, which is paid. So here we're gonna do a short simple hack. Record the screen with voiceover. Here I'm going to use my default Windows recorder. Just going to press Windows plus Alt plus R. So it will start recording the screen with the sound. Okay, now once we are done, we can convert that recorded video to audio. Here we can use any audio converter software or any online video to MP3 converter. Now let's create an animated background. We'll be using Canva for this step. Open Canva and begin by selecting background that suits your video. For now, choose a background that remains still and doesn't have any additional elements or animals. Next, take our background to the next level using Leapix AI. If you want to bring your background image to life, Leapix can help you to achieve that effect. Simply open Leapix and sign up for a free account and upload your picture that you got from Canva. With this tool, you can make your background elements move. Play around with the setting until you're satisfied with the animation. Okay, that's perfect. Now we can download it in free version, which will give us 720p with an watermark. But if you want to get it in high quality, high resolution, then you can capture the screen with a recorder while playing the preview. Okay. Now let's create a speaking character to make our video even more engaging. Our preferred tool for creating animated character is Adobe Character Animator. Just type free animation maker for YouTube in Google. Click on the link that says make animation for YouTube, and there you'll find an array of captivating characters to choose from. For our video, I've selected the character Hopscotch. Customize your character by enabling a grayscale type background and selecting suitable size for your edited videos. Now import the voiceover audio clips we created earlier, and just like that, our characters spring to life. It's time to return to Canva, upload the recorded video, and begin adding all the other elements you want in your video one by one by following the script. Here's where your creativity can shine. Add images, elements, animation, anything that enhance the educational experience for our young viewers. Don't forget to include the voice over the video we have created earlier with Adobe. This ensures that each animal is introduced at the right time. Once you are satisfied with the result, go ahead and download the video with our animated character and animated background ready. It's time to bring everything together and finalize our educational video.
If you have more video editing skill, you can skip the editing part.
You can use any editing software you prefer. Today we will be using CapCut, a user-friendly video editing software where we will add text and effects, animation. Carefully, it's very easy. Just copy text from the script and give effect and animation. On this later, you must give an intro sound for each character when you are introducing. Also try to add BGM that suits your video to make sure it's not a copyright music. So that's all. This way you can make a perfect educational kind of video that's going to be loved by all, and always make a video in 3 to 5 minutes long so your viewers don't get bored while enjoying that video or learning your video. Okay, that's enough. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment to get more new videos. Have a good day. Bye.
After you're done with adding effect and animation, simply export the video and publish to your YouTube channel.
Welcome, little explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to meet some incredible sea creatures. Are you ready? Let's go. Meet Danny the dolphin. Danny loves to play tag with his friends. He's super fast and can leap out of the water like a superhero. Did you know that dolphins communicate using clicks and whistles? They're like underwater chatterboxes. Say hello to Nemo the clownfish. Nemo lives in a cozy anemone home. He's covered in bright orange and white stripes, just like a little circus clown. Clownfish are best buddies with sea anemones. They protect each other and share snacks. Teamwork makes the dream work. Meet Olivia the octopus. Olivia has 8 long arms, and she's a master of disguise. She can change color and texture to blend in with her surroundings. Octopuses are brainy creatures. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and even escape from tight spots. And that's our adventure, kiddos! We hope you enjoyed meeting Danny, Nemo, and Olivia. Remember, the ocean is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Stay curious, keep learning, and keep loving our beautiful planet. See you next time, little ocean explorers!